US crude again trading in the same resistance zone. I have told several times yesterday also that one can remain bullish above 94 levels, but then be cautious of 95 96 zone. This is going to be a stronger resistance zone. It is trading in this zone precisely, achieve the targets. And while NG trying to trade bearish. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. And yes, don't commit this mistake by not subscribing this channel. Definitely you are missing on the profits, and if you do not want to miss the profit, do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do watch the analysis. Now let's start the day with US crude. See, this is the hourly charts, and you can find out the highs of this channel is at around 96 96.2 should 96 96.2. This is a good resistance zone, but look at the hourly charts closely. You can find out the bulls are not trying to take the charge here, as the previous candle failed to give any move, and now it is trying to trade with a drop. If you consider the pivot at around 95.5, probably once it drops below 95 point I'll say 95.2, because 95.5 anyways is a good resistance, and once it drops below 95.2, yes, that may call for a further drop, and then we can expect 94.8, which is a good support zone. Below 94.8, 94.5, 94, 94 is going to be a good support. Previously this was the resistance, now it is going to be a support out there. And below 94, yes, you can again expect a good drop till towards 93.5, 93 levels, and below that it may crash till towards 92 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish on the green zone. It is trying to converge. RSI is near to top there. And if you look at the 2 hour charts, see, look at the 2 hour charts. This candle, and this candle, the bullishness is consistently diminishing here, and now it is trying to reverse this. Possibly once it drops below 95.2, it may call for further bearishness. Then 94.8 you should be watchful of today. Below 94.8, 94.5 and 94, which was the resistance earlier, now it is going to be a good support, and once it drops below 94, it will call for the bears out there. Then one can look forward to 93 92 levels, and 92 is going to be a support level for the day, breaking below which we can expect it to crash. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is in green on the 2 hour charts, trying to converge again. RSI is again near to top there. Look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, also focus on these candles. See, the bulls are not there. It is, the bullishness is diminished, and it is trying to take a drop. And once it drops below 95.2, yes, you can take a short entry. Then 94.8 is a good support. Below 94.8, it may call for the bears out there, and then 94.5, 94, and then 93.5, 93, and below that we may see it falling further. Look at this, the pivot at around 94 is there. With the pivot at 94, it is seen 95.5, it may call for 90 92.5 levels. So, and yes, 92.5, and then 92 is a very strong support, and only beyond 95.5, rather I will say only beyond 96.2, it will call for a good bullish move. Directional movement is still bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, now look at the 4 hour charts. See, one must observe these two candles. It has a stronger tail out there. Tail out there indicates that the shorts are closed. By giving these two drops, it is threatened the people, threaten the positions which are short out there, and it is closed the shorts, now trying to take a rise again. And also it is giving you stronger bullish signal that if it trades, so till the time it trades above 95.2, and yes, till the time it trades above 95, possibly one can remain long, and one can expect it to rise today. And specifically 94.8 till 95.2, these two levels you should watch out for. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic again at overbought on the 4 hour charts. The MACD is divergent and it is bullish. RSI is near to overbought levels again. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts closely. See, this was the bearish channel in which it was trading. It has come out of this channel now and getting the resistance precisely at these levels. See the 50 period moving average giving it a resistance. Also remember, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. Obviously the next candle is yet to start on oil, and then 96 levels definitely a stronger resistance, and then below 95 only one can expect it to drop. See, below 95 expect 94 and 93.5, 93, 92.5, 92 till 92 it has got very strong support. Only bearishness is if it drops below 92 and 91 levels, then one can expect that we may see a larger fall, else it can continue to trade bullish. Also see this. Now, if you see the long term charts on the daily charts, you can find that it is still at the highs out there on the daily chart. So, previous highs were this, the near term channel was this, the long term channel is this, and precisely it is trading at the highs of this channel. Directional movement is so far bearish, trying to cross over for a bullish move. Stochastic is again overbought, and if you look at the MACD, this is extremely divergent here, and the possibility of another bullish candle which is higher than this, I don't think that it exists. But these are markets. RSI is also looking upwards. I think probably we may see a little consolidation move today, and yes, if it draws below 94.8, 95, rather I will say you can initiate a short entry at 95.2 itself, but then you have to trade with the stop loss till 95 and 94.8, which are a good support. Only below 94.8 we can expect a little more bearishness. Then 94.5 and 94 levels will come into picture. Those who are safe traders should take a short entry only at 95.4.8, and if you are a little bit if you are willing to take a little risk, you can go short at 95.2 itself. Then 94.8, 95 levels should be the support, and below that 94.5, 94, 94 is going to be the next strong support, and below that 93.5, 93, 92.5 and 92. 92 is the major milestone which oil might look at. Till the time it trades above, we can see potential bullishness, but only long entry I will recommend is above 96. I have followed these levels again and again, time and again. I am saying you 95, 96 zone is a pretty critical support and resistance zone both. While on the downside it is a resistance zone, while on the upside it is a resistance zone, while on the downside this is a support zone. So yes, you have to be cautious, and only long entry I will recommend if it trades above 96 levels. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. Natural gas again at 9.25 level. See, if you want to learn the art of reading the charts and taking profits and taking profitable trades and want to become a proficient and profitable trader, join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime technical support will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, I have started my membership on Patreon website, where I have created my own page, and then there are membership levels. One is the support level where you just support my channel and effort, and then another membership level is there where you can get the daily updates and you can have a live chat with me. You can have access to one-on-one email with me. You can join that membership channel, and definitely it will help you in your trading decisions and trading as per the signals. You can definitely trade in profit. So look at the hourly charts on NG. See, it has seen the good drop. I had told yesterday that do watchful of $10 levels, and from there it can reverse and retrace again. It is again come back to the support zone and the consolidation zone between 9.1 and 9.4 levels. This is a strong zone which it is trying to trade within. Also look at this, it is also giving you higher lows, so it is trying to remain bullish. And yes, see, the resistance now at 9.4 is very strong. Only if it breaks past this zone, yes, you can expect that the bullishness may sustain. Now look at the hourly charts. See, after this drop it has seen a little retracement and then a drop and then again retracement. So almost a symmetry is done. And yes, if it breaks past this zone here at 9.3, you can go long there, but then expect 9.4 and 9.5 levels to provide it a stronger resistance. This is going to be a good resistance zone. Beyond 9.45 you can again remain long, and then 9.6 levels can be seen. Dropping below 9.2 again, yes, you can go short there and expect it to drop further. So we have to be cautious in between 9.2 and 9.3. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic again looking upwards. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI trading flat there. Look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise, if you see on the 2-hour charts, it is nothing but creating higher lows and higher highs, trying to trade in this zone. and precisely once it drops below 9.2, yes, you can expect it to come back till towards 9.1, which is the first support, and 9.05 the next support. Only below $9 levels you can expect that it may drop sharply, and we can expect a stronger drop below $9 levels only. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic comfortable. MACD is willing to cross over for a bullish move. It is right now in the bearish side. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, look at the 3-hour charts closely, it is trying to trade in this channel below 9.2. Yes, it may drop till towards 9.1 the first support, and $9 the next support. Only below $9 levels one can expect that we may see a little drop till towards 8.92 and 8.8 levels, and then below that we may see a crash again. On the upside, be watchful of, yes, you can take a long entry at 9.3, but then you have to watchful of 9.4 and 9.45 levels. If it breaks beyond 9.45, we may see it rising further till towards 9.6. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic comfortable. MACD is comfortable again, and it is trading with a bearish bias, though RSI trading comfortable again. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, and on the 4-hour charts to see, the candle is failing to give it a bullish move. Yes, it has seen the highs at around 9.4, which is a good resistance that I have maintained. Yes, only short entry. Yes, below 9.2 you can take a short entry, but then expect 9.1 a very strong support, and $9 the next support. Below that, yes, that is the time below which it may act bearish. Then you have to watch out for 8.92 and $8.8 levels. If this breaks, then only it will call for the bears out there. Above 9.3 it may call for again the bulls at 9.4 and 9.45, the first resistance zone. Beyond that we may see it flying high. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is looking upwards and it is trying to act bullish. MACD is divergent and bearish, it must start to converge, and RSI comfortable there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the new candle is yet to form on this charts, but then it is again, see, it is taking the support here. It is not breached this channel, which is a bullish channel still, and only below, as I said, only below $9 levels you can confirm that the bearishness is still there. Then it may call for a larger drop till towards 8.6, 8.5 levels. You have to watch out for these levels. And yes, you, for the day you can go short below 9.2, expect it to drop for 9.1, very strong support. 9.05 the next support, and $9 the stronger support out there. Below $9 only you can confirm that there is going to be more bearishness. Till that time you have to trail the stop loss, and you have to keep trading with the stop loss at cost, or else you can keep closing the trades and re-entering again at, let's say you have taken a short entry at 9.2, keep first target should be at 9.1, then 9.05, and then $9 levels. These three levels you should watch out for. Below that 8.92, 8.8, and yes, it can drop till towards 8.65, 8.7 zone also. On the upside, if it continues to trade bullish, yes, you can go long at 9.3, expect 9.4 to provide a very strong resistance, then 9.45, and beyond 9.45 it will directly try to attempt and achieve 9.6, and beyond that it will fly again. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and yes, do not trade NG in between 9.2 and 9.3 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.